Does your animation look like this? Or maybe you're even a little bit better and it looks like this? Well, I'm going to tell you the sad truth. That is not good animation. Good animation is where there is no stop. It is just going. Let me show you an example. Do you see this animation? Do you see how it's just going? Like there's no stop, there's no clunk compared to this where there's an obvious like I don't know the words for it, but it's not flowing, if that makes sense. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 animations on CapCut that will level up your animation skills and flow so it doesn't look terrible. Let's get right into it. Okay, first animation combo. So load into your CapCut and have your pictures ready or videos. These works for videos too, perfectly. Okay, so then you're going to tap on your photo and head over to animations. And we're going to use the combo. So this first combo that we will be using is the first photo is going to be fall left. And then we're going to go over to the second one. And then we're going to do fall bottom left. And then we're going to go to the third picture, fall right. And then the fourth one is going to be fall bottom right. I believe. Fall bottom right. So now you have this great, let me just delete that. Now you have this great perfect transition where it just flows. It's like never stops, right? Now I'm going to show you an even better way that you can make it smoother. And I know you're probably thinking, how can you make anything this smoother? Well, you can, and I'm going to show you. So you can go to effects and you can add a blur. And we're going to make it about half the photo length. And then we're going to add a keyframe on one side and one on the other side. And the keyframe settings at the very first, the blur should be all the way up. And then the last keyframe, the blur needs to be at 0. So it'll look like this. Then you can just duplicate that and put that on all of your videos or pictures. And even sometimes you can overlap them. You can like overlap them like this. So the blur happens a bit before, so it kind of blurs and makes it a better, blurs, so it makes it a bit smoother. Now here's another animation combo. So go into your animations, and the first 2 are going to be the same, fall left and then fall left bottom. But then for the third one, we will be using fall spin, if I can find that. Give me a minute to find that.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I'm sorry, that took me forever to find, but now it's okay. So the third picture is going to be fall spin. And then the fourth picture is going to be spin out. Hopefully I can find that faster. Spin out. So now you should get a really nice transition like this. And then you can just keep repeating or add a bunch of different other combinations. And then you can just keep using that blur effect, or you can use the mix effect. Now, last combination that I have, it's a bit all over the place, but it's fall left bottom, fall spin, spin rise, rise spin, and yo-yo too. Let's try to find all that. So fall, da-da-da. Then the third one's going to be fall spin, and then, so I have that, fall spin, then it's going to be spin rise, which I feel like I've seen that. Spin rise. So there's that transition. And now I'll need to add 2 more pictures. Okay, so then this is spin rise, and then we're gonna do rise spin. Very complicated. Rise spin and spin rise. Then rise spin. So like so. That was flawless. And then yo-yo too. Yo-yo! So now you should have a beautiful transition like this. And those are my 3 animation combos. I hope you can use these combos and come up with your own combos to making smooth animation. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if this was helpful, make sure to go hit that like and subscribe button, and if you have any questions, feel free to just put them down in the chat. Hope you have a wonderful day, and stay creative.